What's up, guys? So I am back at Cherokee Rock Village this weekend. It's been a few vlogs since I was here. We came down for some rock climbing and some camping. I don't remember, it's vlog 2 or 3, something like that. So on the first one here, it may just be me and one other friend. It's mostly it's a get out of town weekend. That's all it is. We're enjoying some gorgeous weather right now, and it's too pretty to be inside. So see that? I picked up a new BioLite fire pit. I got it on Kickstarter, and it finally came in. This thing is awesome. All right, check this out. All right. So you hear that sound? It's got little air tubes all the way down inside of it, on the bottom and the sides, and this pack will run it for 24 hours. But it's mostly to get the fire going. You turn it on, it blows air into it, and gets your fire going nice and strong. So, super excited to give it a try. It's the first time I've lit it up. So far, it's fantastic. I'll go ahead and kill the air on it because, well, it doesn't need it now that it's going. And I don't know, did you see my Eno lounger here? Sit back by the fire and relax. Should be awesome. Brock should be here, I don't know, another 2 or 3 hours. So until then, it's time to chill out. See you in a bit. Guys, I love it up here. So we've got, I don't know, maybe in 30 minutes to an hour till, well, yeah, probably an hour or more till sundown, and the color's already starting to show up in the sky. The view is beautiful, the wind's picking up just enough to keep us cool. The skies aren't as clear as I'd like. I mean, usually you can see a lot further, but yeah, I'm sure not complaining. It is gorgeous tonight. Alright, enough sightseeing. Back to camp. And we're back. Let's stoke the fire a little bit, sit back in the Eno lounger, and chill out for a little bit. See you guys in a bit. Hey, good morning, guys. So I don't even know what time it is, probably 9 or 10 o'clock. We were feeling lazy this morning, so we made a Waffle House trip. Got a few groceries from Wally World, and then came back to sit in camp. We've got the fire pit going. We've got the percolator sitting on top making some coffee. We got a small puppy running around, aptly named Tacoma. And yeah, we're just chilling at camp. The weather is absolutely gorgeous, and we're probably going to head out and do some climbing here this afternoon. Assuming we actually get out of camp and stop being lazy. No promises. Anyways, weather's gorgeous and the fire's going, so we're going to sit here and chill. See you guys later.
Dude, if you're done, you're done. You're gonna have nice booty shots for me for that climb.
Those two are not always the same thing.
Right there, killing. Killed it. Somewhere else in there. Uh-oh.
Hurts.
When you made that move, I felt your entire back get hot because that muscle got used. Like your back went warm.
Alright, we'll move to another section. I'm killing myself on that one.
Dude, that was the dude. That move though, killing.
That was
fun.
That was good.
I'll fall over.
Hey, good morning, guys. So, it is specifically way too early. I have no idea what time it is. But we got woken up this morning by I think we're now calling it the Hispanic vampire cult because they seem to go away during daylight. It's 5-something in the morning, chanting, standing on rocks. Now they have a PA system so they can blare their music louder. They're not allowed up here, but what do you do? So we got up and watched the sunrise. It's pretty, not many clouds, so not a whole lot of color, but yeah, we're awake now. So I think we're gonna fix that. We're gonna go back to bed, and then we'll get up and fix some breakfast and stuff. But yeah, view up here, it's not too shabby. It's a real pretty morning. So anyways, we're gonna go back to bed. We'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we actually are in Atlanta now, or just north of Atlanta in Marietta, Georgia. So there's an event put on by Expedition Georgia called the Tents and Tires. This is the second annual event, and they invited me last year, and David, I appreciate the invite, but I couldn't make it. So this year, I was only about 100 miles away from where we were camping to here, so came on down, got here early, and man, it was already filling up with awesome rigs. I got here about 1:30, started at 2, and yeah, I've got a bunch of pictures. I'll try and take some video, take you guys around, let you see some of the cool vehicles. I really need a stabilized gimbal so it's not so shaky, but I'll do what I can. Anyway, we just had the first giveaway, and I got a cool locking waterproof case, so I will definitely put that to good use. And yeah, anyways, let's wander around, let you guys see what's going on. I don't know how long we're gonna stay. A couple other friends from up in Chattanooga are here. I think we're all gonna roll back up that direction together. So anyways, let's go around and check it out. What's up, guys? Just wanted to come to you real quick and give you a couple of quick updates. First off, I wanted to apologize. I know it's been like a month since you've had a video from me. A lot of stuff going on, which I'll kind of explain in a second, and also the motherboard on my video editing computer glitched out on me. I was able to get it working again, and I'm working on the video now. Hopefully you guys will be seeing it really soon. The second thing is I've been doing a lot of work, lots of little things on the truck. We have a big trip coming up that I cannot wait to share with you guys. We are leaving in 10 days. Leaving in 10 days and going to Utah. I'll save the route as a bit of a surprise for you guys, but we're spending 2 weeks in Utah and surrounding areas. We'll probably try to make it to a multi-part vlog, and yeah, I am super excited to share it with you guys. So anyway, I'm going to go back to editing, and hopefully you guys will be seeing this real soon.